Hi there, this video is going to teach you how to use a pipette. This is a volumetric pipette. They're different than vial. You use these things, and a volumetric pipette is good for only one volume, really. This one has a 5 on it, so all it does is measure 5 milliliters. But we've got different sizes here. Here's one that has a 10 on it. Its only job is to measure 10 milliliters. It has only one line on the pipe here. So this one we use is just the 5 milliliters. It has one line, which is right here. So all I gotta do is fill it up to here with that water and get exactly on that line. Now there are two different types of these pipettes. One is called a TD, and if you look on the side here, it'll have a TD. There's TD or TC. This is a TD. It means to deliver. It delivers it for you. The other one is called a TC. TC is to contain. I'll show you what that means in a second. So you gotta find the right pipetter. This is for like a smaller volume, like a 5 mils. The bigger ones have a bigger pipette. We're gonna stick it into the solution, got in a beaker here, of just water, and we roll this thing right here, rolling this upward. And what it does is start to suck the water upward. I can release the water by pushing down on the button, or you can push this button too, and it'll release the water. So we have the pipette all the way in, roll it upward until you get to the line. You can be pretty exact. Most of the time you can hold it right at the line where you want it. Sometimes the seal isn't very good, and in case that happens you have to be like a ninja. You can see I've put my thumb on top of this, and I can roll my thumb away, kind of like a straw, until it gets exactly to the line that I want. There we go, it's right at the line. Now I'm going to put it in the other beaker that I want to transfer it to. Now remember, this one is called a TD, that means to deliver. That means the pipette will deliver it for you. I'm not sure if you can see this in the picture. But you can see there's one of my little drops. Let me touch this over here. There's still some water in there. There's still some water in the tip part. It's supposed to stay there. It has delivered for you the 5 milliliters. To deliver means it delivered it. To contain means you need that little bit, which means you've got to roll this open a little bit, stick it on the top, and then push it down, which will blow air through it to get that last little bit out. So you've got to be careful with your pipette. Is it a to deliver, let that little part stay there, or is it a to contain? You have to blow it through. Hope it helped.